So let me show you something. You see this? Now I have registered at a gym. I need to reduce this. I'm looking at getting 6 packs. I said no laughing. I want all the ladies to be rushing me.
But sir, the ladies would still rush you with your money. You don't.
No.
The gym is not for you.
Oh, really? It is for me. It is for me. As a matter of fact, like I said, I've registered already. So, I just need to lose this for the summer body. I'm for real. My gym clothes are in the car.
Okay.
So, are you going to help me with this?
Yes, sir.
Great. So that's all I need. So I'm just going to wrap up here, and then we'll branch at your restaurant first so I can eat, and then